Hello, my name is Ricardo Soto. I'm going to be labeling the sheep's heart. So first off, we have, this is the anterior side of the sheep heart, and right here is the pulmonary trunk. Next is to show you adipose tissue, which is pretty much all the light colored tissue that surrounds the heart. The apex is the corner tip of the heart. The anterior interventricular sulcus is this division here that divides the left and right ventricles. The left atrium would be this piece right here. And the right atrium would be the one hidden over here. The brachiocephalic trunk is connected with our aorta. So here, brachiocephalic trunk. The superior vena cava, which is a little torn off, would be up here, and it got cut. And the pulmonary veins, right left pulmonary vein would have been here, but they tore that off too in the lab cut that out, but they would be in here, and I'll flow through there. The ascending aorta is right here. The right-left auricle, so this would be my right auricle right here, and my left auricle, right auricle. My tricuspid valve got a little cut up, but it would be in here, tricuspid valve. My bicuspid valve is right here, 1, 2, which are connected to chordae tendineae, these cords that you see. The papillary muscle, one second, papillary muscle. Number 16. The papillary muscle is around, like in here. This right here is my papillary muscle, which is connected to the chordae tendineae. And then my right-left ventricle, so if we're looking at it like this, right ventricle is this one. No, left ventricle is this one. And right ventricle is this one. The right ventricle has thinner walls than the left one, because the left one pumps the blood to the body, while the other one is to itself the lungs. The trabeculae carnae, trabecular carnae bands are like these bands here. This is the trabecular carnae that come off the walls. There's some over here too. And then the interventricular septum is this here, dividing the two ventricles.